Welcome students, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Please do subscribe the channel, and if the content is helpful to you, do like it. See, today we are here to discuss the type of expected type of paper in our upcoming JEE Advanced, because see, it's being prepared by IIT Kanpur. So IIT Kanpur is going to conduct this advanced paper, and when I listen that name, like whenever it come across that name, the name of IIT Kanpur, it's my alma mater, I am its alumni, so it really excites me. Okay, it's a beautiful place to go, really very good campus, a lush green campus, huge campus. Okay, so that's that we'll discuss once the advance is over. But see, my point is, what type of questions or what level of paper are we going to have in our 2025 advance, because it's being prepared by IIT Kanpur. So see, I just went through the last two paper. 2011 was being conducted by IIT Kanpur, 2018 was conducted by IIT Kanpur. So now it's after every 7 years, 2025 will be conducted by IIT Kanpur. See, 2011 is definitely a way old paper. Okay, so I don't think that will help us in analyzing or setting the benchmark. But see, when you look at 2018 paper, you will realize that the paper is the mathematics part, the mathematical part or the mathematics portion really going to be a good one, contrary to the one which you got in 2024. So if you go back and look at the paper, last year paper, you will find it to be a bit on simpler side. To be sure, you will definitely find it to be a bit on the simpler side. Okay, but in contrast, if you go way back and look at 2018 paper, even 2022 paper, though it was not prepared by IIT Kanpur, but my point is 2018 paper is a really good, genuine IIT advanced paper. See, I always say, what do I always say is that when you look at the questions in advance, they have a trick which they always play, and that is they will put the format of the question will be such that so many students won't even attempt it. But when you read the question properly and try to think on it, you will realize that several many times just by looking at the question it will be seems to be so difficult, but when you try to crack it, you will be able to crack it. So that's what you may expect in 2025. So my assessment is, in 2025 mathematics is going to be a good one. Good one means definitely the level of the level which you expect in JEE Advanced, that will definitely be there. And see, I always say, I had been repeating it, I will repeat it, and though so there were so many who didn't agree with me, but then when the JEE mains paper, the result was out, everyone has to agree. I had been repeating, math will be the toughest one, it will be the lengthiest one. Obviously math is going to be the lengthiest one, because you don't get the answer without solving it. So you have to solve each and every question, then only you get the answer. So that's one point. So math, my assessment is math is going to be a good one, so be ready for it. And see, for you people, will be helping you people a lot. See, there's a bit of break these days because board exams are going on. So every state board, CBSE board, every board exams are going on. So I just slowed down my pace and put a few videos on our board paper. But then once they are over, maybe after 10th or 11th March, you will find us going in full swing with full throttle for JEE mains and JEE Advanced. So those who are preparing for JEE Advanced, you stay tuned with us. You are going to get very good content, great questions for practice. And as the dates will approach, as after April, maybe as we will get closer and closer to May, you will really going to get very good questions, very good practice sessions here, and that will be really very helpful to you people. So at last I will again repeat, prepare well and focus on mathematics is going to be extremely crucial, extremely important, and highly helpful in achieving a good rank if you are well prepared in mathematics. So be prepared is being prepared by IIT Kanpur, bacho. Okay, so my expectation is it's going to be a good paper, particularly in mathematics. So that's it for today. You stay connected with us. I am again repeating that we'll be bringing up a genuinely good, very good and reasonably difficult questions for practice, and which will be highly comparable to the type of questions which you would have got previously or which you expect to get in the upcoming JEE Advanced paper on this channel itself. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected. But with all the best wishes, we'll meet soon again.